Imagine this, a world where space travel is as accessible as a weekend getaway. A world where you could book a flight to Mars like you'd book a flight to Bali. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, what if I told you this future might be closer than you think? A company called Innovation Incorporated has been making waves with rumors of their own spaceship project. But is it real? Is Innovation Incorporated actually building a spaceship? Or is this just another tech hype train? Let's dive in and find out. Innovation Incorporated is a relatively new player in the tech industry, but they've already made a name for themselves with their groundbreaking innovations in artificial intelligence and renewable energy. So, it's not entirely out of the question that they'd venture into space exploration. After all, space tourism is a booming industry, and there's a growing demand for accessible space travel. The rumors about Innovation Incorporated's spaceship project started circulating a few months ago. Some sources claim to have seen blueprints and even prototypes of the spacecraft. There were also whispers about a secret facility where the company was developing the technology. But, as with any rumor, it was hard to separate fact from fiction. Analyzing the evidence. To get to the bottom of this, let's examine the evidence that supports and contradicts the claims. Asterisk supporting evidence. Patent filings. Innovation Incorporated has filed several patents related to aerospace technology. While these patents don't necessarily confirm a spaceship project, they do suggest the company has an interest in the field. Investments. The company has been making significant investments in space-related startups and research institutions. This suggests they're serious about exploring opportunities in the space industry. Public statements. Although they haven't made any official announcements, there have been hints from company executives about their ambitious plans. Asterisk contradicting evidence. Lack of official confirmation. Despite the rumors, Innovation Incorporated has not released any official statements confirming or denying the existence of a spaceship project. Timeline. Building a spaceship is a massive undertaking that would require years of development. It's unlikely that Innovation Incorporated could have achieved this in such a short time frame, especially considering they are a relatively new company. So, where does that leave us? Is Innovation Incorporated's spaceship official? Well, the truth is, we don't know for sure. While the evidence suggests that the company is exploring the possibility of space travel, there's still a lot of uncertainty surrounding the project. It's possible that the rumors are exaggerated or that the company is still in the early stages of development. Only time will tell whether Innovation Incorporated will be able to realize its ambitious vision of making space travel a reality. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.